Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Kayasia. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a home cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning my room, my bathroom, and my little like home studio and stuff like that. Also, it's super early, y'all. But this is my restroom. It's not even that dirty, to be honest. So my bathroom is done. I didn't clean my toilet just because I literally had cleaned it last night. So the only thing I did was put some bleach in it, and even though it's clean, I still use my scrubber thing. And the only reason why I'm not gonna light my candle is because my whole bathroom literally smells like bleach and cleaning stuff. So yeah, it already has a smell. So yeah, but bathroom is done. Also, my shower is clean already as well. Okay, so now we're going to start cleaning up here now. I'm gonna work on my nail space first.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself.
Okay, y'all, so the top of my nail desk is officially clean. These are just dried up acrylics on my desk. And yeah, everything's looking cute. Okay, so now I just need to, I want to clean up. Oh, I thought that was my acetone that fell. But I just need to clean up this. I need to organize my rhinestones and put them back in the box.
Keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
Okay, y'all, I finally cleared out the space. The only thing I really just need to do is vacuum, but it's just super early right now, and there's people still sleeping, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to vacuum. But y'all, period. Nail station is finished. Nice and clean. It's ready and prepped for my next client. And yeah, and that's just my trash and stuff. So let's see what else we're gonna have to clean. I do think I'm gonna have to clean the top of my refrigerator and wipe it off. I'm also going to organize my drawers and stuff. I need to go through that. So we're gonna clean my lash station next. Yeah, because everything else is pretty great. So let's get the trash bag and we're gonna go and move it to my lash station. So I'm going to be, you know, cleaning my appliances, sanitizing and stuff like that, and, you know, going through my drawers and stuff like that. Also, the last thing I'm trying to do is vacuum. I'm literally trying to wait until it gets closer and closer to the afternoon. That way, after I'm done with everything, I can just like go in and vacuum, and then I know I'm done. But yeah, so you guys are gonna watch me clean my lash station now.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay bad, let's keep it a beam. Don't it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, bitch is not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that on me. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. I'm gonna check.
Y'all, so everything is nice and clean. I organized my drawers this time as well, and I went through my stuff. period. Y'all, so now I've got all this trash and I ran out of pink trash bags, so now we gotta use these ugly white ones. Okay, so I also found like some old mail in one of the drawers, so oopsies. But yeah, so everything is clean up here now. Okay, everything is clean. I am gonna wipe my refrigerator off though real quick.
Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
And I just feel like cleaning. I like cleaning my refrigerator because it makes it clean. It also makes it smell good as well, and considering that I touch it like every single day, I feel like it helps get rid of germs. So yeah, that's nice and clean. But yeah, all I need to do now is take out my trash. I have trash from my lash area and the trash bag that I was using to put everything else in, and then I also just have trash in my bathroom. So now technically the only thing I really need to work on is my room, which is gonna be a hassle. I feel like every time I clean my room, it literally gets so dirty quickly. Like, for what?
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential rolling, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob. You pray for my demons, God got you. Every time I step on codeine, I get wrong. But knowing the sounds of the storm when it comes, she understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going.
Okay, y'all, so my room is finally clean. I just really need to vacuum. The flowers are just bringing life to everything. Y'all, I'm like so tired. I can't wait to shower. The only thing I need to do is vacuum, so I'm gonna get the vacuum now and just start vacuuming everything. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna go in with some extra strength powder stuff. It's just gonna make everything smell really nice and good. Highly recommend if you have dogs as well, even though my dog doesn't stink. But yeah. Okay, y'all, I finally got the vacuum. Can you guys see like the little, you know, I'm starting to get a little sweaty, or, you know, glow, however you want to call it. Okay, so actually, I think I'm gonna take the, I don't know, I kind of want to take the trash down and then vacuum. I think that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. All right, so I'm about to get all the trash real quick, and then we're gonna start vacuuming. Okay, y'all, so my phone died, so sorry about that. Anyways, you guys saw me vacuum. Once I got done vacuuming, I just went in with some carpet spray and I put it on this one too, especially this one, considering that it's mainly white. And then after I did that, I went in with some air freshener, and I put a lot in all the rooms. I put some in the bathroom, out here, and I also put some in my room. And yeah, look how cute my bed looks. Purr. Okay, but yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning little vlog, and if you guys want to see more videos, more cleaning videos like this, let me know. And bye.